Hello students, how are you all? This is Sarah Khan and we are at lesson 4 of unit 4, the market. In this lesson we are going to practice questions like are there and is there. So let's get started. Right, so before we start, here are some food items for you to unscramble. There are 3 in total and all of them belong in a bakery. So what is the first item that you can find in a bakery? What about the second one and the third one? Okay, so the first item is cake. The second is bread, and the third is it's pretty simple. It's milk, right? So let's move on. As you can see here in the picture, there are 6 questions, and they have blanks, and then I'm going to play the audio for you have to listen to the audio and fill these blanks. The first one is are there any dash, and of course all of the questions are about the picture that you can see of the table with so many food items on it, right? And the second one is are there any blank, and then is there any blank, and then there isn't any, is there any, and there aren't any, right? So in the next slide I'm going to play the audio. Listen closely and then write down the answers in your notebook. Okay, let's begin.
Listen and write the words.
1,
Are there any grapes?
2,
Are there any tomatoes?
3,
Is there any bread?
4,
There isn't any cake.
5,
Is there any milk?
6,
There aren't any sweets.
Alright, so the answers are right here for you to check. As you can see, the singular nouns were answered or asked about as is there any, and for nouns that are plural it was used are there any, right? So we used is with singular noun and are with plural noun. So let's move forward.
Listen and say.
Are there any pears in the fridge?
Yes, there are. No, there aren't any.
Is there any bread in the basket?
Yes, there is. No, there isn't any.
Okay, so now we are at the end of our lesson 4, and in this exercise you have to look at the picture closely and then answer 5 questions that are underneath this video. The first one is already done for you. The question is are there any grapes? As you can see that there are grapes in the picture, so the person ticked on yes there are. Okay, so it's very simple. I wish you good luck, and then I'll see you in lesson 5 very soon.